So shortly after filming last week's video, I realized I never actually did the proper intro to the video. So let's go ahead and do that now for this video. What's up guys, Aiden here, Hazel on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're going to be out in the yard talking about pre-emergence and actually applying pre-emergent to my lawn, the project lawn, and 14 other of my client lawns. Without further ado, why are we still standing inside? Let's get outside and talk about pre-emergence and cut right to the applications. Alright guys, after coming out here and in further analyzation, let's cut the grass. And as you guys know, there's only one way to cut the grass. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How's it look? Pretty good if you ask me for this time of year. Alright guys, now that that's done, let's go ahead and talk about what we're here for today. And that's pre-emergent. If you have not seen the video where I talked all in depth about pre-emergence, I did that so I don't have to stand out here and do it. I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner, as well as linked in the description down below, to that video where you can go ahead and talk about and learn about pre-emergence. Today, we got 14 lawns that need pre-emergent, and today's choice of pre-emergent is back in the wagon. That's the Sunnyland 007 pre-emergent. Today, we're going over and just doing pre-emergent as our liquid sprayer that was gonna spray out N-Charge for a video for the next DIY lawn arrived broken, and I wasn't able to assemble it. So I'm gonna have to order a new one, which I already did. It's arriving shortly soon. That's well, we're gonna follow back up with that in just a few weeks to go back to those customers and get that down on their lawns. This application rate is very simple, 3 pounds per thousand. Calculate your square footage of your lawn and apply that product at 3 pounds per thousand. Let's just get some B-roll shots of this lawn and then we'll get to work. Alright guys, we are on to the next one back here. I'm gonna hit the record on my GoPro on this one just to switch over, so let's do that real quick right now. Alright guys, we got another one done. Headed on to the next one. Get the wagon loaded up here. Taking a break for some water. Oh, we got a decent amount of pre-emergent left, so time to go get spreading on the next one. Sorry I haven't been recording so much. It's been very busy just trying to get these lawns done. I'm currently kneeling down on the ground here talking to you guys. But it's a lot of work to get all these properties done, so I just haven't really been recording much. Just trying to get them done here. Wanted to take a minute and stop, tell you where we are. We've done about 8 pre-emergents so far. We skipped ones. We haven't been able to get in contact with the customers and stuff. All properties, we're not ringing the doorbell, we're taking payment under the door, so if they haven't paid, we're also skipping those. We haven't gotten, if they originally agreed to our plan but haven't gotten back in touch, we're skipping those as well. So now we're just cleaning back up, and then we'll come back this weekend because we have a few customers that requested that their properties wait until this weekend, and the sprayer should be coming in this weekend. We'll come back and hit all these properties again with N-Charge for our nitrogen source for this application. So there's a lot of work that goes into calculating this. I have 14 properties. I can't imagine companies that are running a lot more properties than this. So I just imagine it becomes a very, very tricky managing how each application treatment is based for each property. So let's go ahead and do a time lapse on the last one just to close it out for you guys. I'm really sorry I haven't been recording, but you know, as I said, it's a lot of work to do both. It's almost like running 2 businesses at once. You know, you got the YouTube business and the landscaping business. So let's head to that last lawn. we finished up for today. I'm tired. Thinking about taking a nap on my garage floor. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna go inside, have a snack, do some more schoolwork, clean this camera off. There's like dirt all over it and stuff. But the nitrogen source is coming, and yeah, it's a disappointment, but you know, hard times for everyone, and right now we just need to be patient and get through it together. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Aiden Landscaping. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.